Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Ziyad and today we are tackling AAPC CPC Mock Exam 4. If you are getting ready for the CPC exam, you know the drill. 100 high-yield multiple choice questions spread across 18 chapters. In this video, we are breaking it down chapter by chapter, exactly like the real exam to give you the ultimate practice run. AAPC CPC Mock Exam 4, Chapter 2, Anatomy, question number 1. What is the primary role of the sinoatrial node in the heart? A. To pump oxygenated blood to the body. B. To receive deoxygenated blood from the body. C. To act as a heart's natural pacemaker. D. To separate the ventricles from the atria. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. To act as the heart's natural pacemaker. You can see the sinoatrial node is here in the right atrium. The sinoatrial node is a small bundle of specialized cell located in the right atrium. It generates electrical impulses that spreads across the heart, causing the atria and then the ventricles to contract. You can see the impulse is going like this from SA node to AV node. Then it spreads through the bundle of Hitch and bundle branches. Then to the Purkinje network. This consistent rhythm earned it the name the heart's natural pacemaker. Question number 2. Which of the following bone is a component of an appendicular skeleton? A. Sternum. B. Ribs. C. Scapula. D. Sacrum. Think the answer. The correct answer is C. Scapula. You can see the skeletal system divided into main two groups. One is the axial skeleton, other one is appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton includes the bones of the limbs and the girdles that attach them to the axial skeleton. So here the scapula, that is the shoulder blades, is the part of the pectoral girdle, making it a component of the appendicular skeleton. On the other hand, the sternum, ribs, and the sacrum all are part of the axial skeleton. Question number 3 of anatomy, that is question number 7 of the mock exam. Which part of the brain is primarily responsible for balance, coordination, and fine motor control? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. D. Medulla oblongata. D. Hypothalamus. Think the answer. The correct answer is B. Cerebellum. You can see the cerebellum located here. The cerebellum located at the back of the brain is crucial for coordinating voluntary movements such as posture, balance, coordination, and speed. It allows for smooth and balanced muscular activity. You can see other parts of the brain. This is the cerebrum. There are main lobes here: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. Each lobe has its own function, and this is the brain stem. It controls the breathing and heart rate. Question number 4 of anatomy, that is question number 8. The distal end of the stomach connects directly to which part of the small intestine? A. Jejunum. B. Ileum. C. Cecum. D. Duodenum. Think the answer. The correct answer is D. Duodenum. You can see in the picture, the stomach is connected with the duodenum, after the jejunum, then ileum. The small intestine consists of 3 parts in order, that is duodenum, which receives chyme from the stomach through the pyloric sphincter, then the jejunum and the ileum. And the cecum is the beginning of the large intestine. Finally, a bonus question. Which of the following structures is responsible for cerebrospinal fluid production in the brain? A. Choroid plexus. B. Arachnoid granulation. C. Cerebral cortex. D. Pineal gland. Think the answer and leave the answer in the comment section. If you need the answer for this question with explanation, please check the pinned comment. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to leave in the comment section. And for personalized support, my email and the WhatsApp number provided in the description. You can contact me anytime. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.